Welcome students. Today the topic is basic concept of chemistry, mole concept part 3. So previously we have taught part 1, part 2 in mole concept. Part 1 is based upon the fundamentals of moles, definition and mole in terms of number. And the second part is on the mole in terms of mass. But previously, mole in terms of mass, I give you some basic formulas, 3 formulas. Besides that, some concepts about mole and the atomic mass unit left here. So we'll study about this in this class, basic concept of chemistry, mole concept, part 3. So let us start. Mole in terms of mass. Mole in terms of mass. So here a new concept is there. Suppose someone asked you that what is the mass of sodium? What is the mass of sodium? You can answer the mass of sodium. Mass of sodium, it may be 23 gram or 23 AMU. Both are correct. 23 gram and 23 AMU. So here the unit is the gram unit and here is the unit is AMU unit. Both are correct. How? Because the 23 gram represents the mass of 1 mole of sodium atom, or 1 mole of sodium atoms, while 23 AMU represents mass of 1 sodium atom. So that is the basic difference. Between the gram and AMU unit. So usually if someone is asking me what is the mass of sodium, I answer 23. Because if you want the answer in gram, you can let 23 gram. What is the 23 gram represents is the mass of 1 mole of sodium atom. 1 mole of sodium atom means 6.02 10 to the power 23 number of sodium atoms, weight 23 gram. And what is 23 AMU represents? Mass of a single sodium atom. Bujhela? So these are 23 gram and 23 AMU. Like that, if someone asking mass of calcium, what you write? You answer 40. If you say in the unit term, you can say, sir, it may be 40 gram or it may be 40 AMU. What is the difference? 40 gram means mass of 1 mole of calcium atom, 1 mole of calcium atom, while 40 AMU represents mass of 1 calcium atom. 1 calcium atom. So that is the basic difference between mass of calcium. Mass of calcium, if represents in gram, it represents the mass of 1 mole, 6.02 10 to the 23 calcium atom, having the mass of 40 gram. But while the mass of calcium, a single mass of calcium atom is 40 AMU. So here another concept is the AMU. What is this AMU and how it relates to the mole? Let us discuss on it. So what is AMU? Basically, the AMU is nothing but a unit. It's a simple unit. The mole is a unit. But mole is a unit to measure the microscopic particle. Microscopic particle, the number, mass and volume. इसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं क्या? मोल. What is atomic mass unit? AMU. This also unit. It is used to measure only the mass only the mass of microscopic particle. समझे? Mole is also a unit. It's a unit. Mole is a unit. It also measure microscopic particle. But through mole we can measure number, we can measure mass, we can measure volume of what? Microscopic particle. But AMU is a unit. AMU is also a unit. But in this AMU unit, we can measure the microscopic particle. We can also measure the microscopic particle, but only the mass. We cannot measure number and volume of microscopic particle in AMU unit. Okay? So let us discuss about this AMU. So it is clear that AMU is a unit. It's a unit. It's a unit to measure mass of microscopic particle. Microscopic particle. So what is the abbreviation say? Atomic mass unit. So this is given by Dalton. So actually in mathematical presentation, what is one AMU? I can say it is the mass of carbon 12. Carbon isotope which is 12, 13, 14. Carbon having 3 isotopes. Carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. If carbon 12 atom is taken into consideration and the mass of single carbon atom is divided by 12 parts. A single part represents one AMU. So here 1 AMU means it is the mass of 1 by 12 part of C12. It is the mass of 1 by 12 part of C12 means carbon bar C12 carbon 12 को तार मास नबा ताको 12 टाइम डिवाइड करिवा 12 टाइम डिवाइड कला परे जो डिवाइड रो गुटे 12 पार्ट आसीबो दैट इज द 1 AMU. ठीक है? So what is AMU mathematically? It is the mass of 1 by 12 part of C12. ठीक है? I can also write it is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. 1.67 into minus 24 gram. 1 m equal to 1.67 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. So it is the mass of one proton. It is the mass of one proton. A proton mass. What is the mass of a proton? I can say it is 1 AMU. So what is 1 AMU? It is 1 by 6.02 10 to the power 23. This is a very basic concept. That 1 AMU also 1 by 6.02 10 to the power 23. Or it is the reciprocal of Avogadro's number. So 1 by 6.02 10 to the 23. So 1 AMU. It also called 1 Aston. I can say 1 Dalton. 1 AMU equal to 1 Aston, 1 Dalton. I can also say 1 Avogram. 1 Avogram. I can also say 1 carbon unit. 1 carbon unit. 1 AMU also 1 carbon unit. I can also say 1 U means unified unit. Unified unit. It also represents as 1 unified unit. So what is AMU? AMU is the unit to measure the mass of microscopic particle. Here carbon 12 mass is taken as standard. I can also write here mass of C12 is taken as standard. So what is AMU? It is a unit to measure the mass of microscopic particle. Here mass of C12 is taken as standard. So abbreviation of full form, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. So what is 1 AMU? It is the mass of 1/12th part of C12. C12 रो मास को 12 भाग करिबा गोटे भाग होची कते 1 AMU. So it is 1.67 × 10⁻24 gram. It is the mass of 1 proton. It is 1/6.02 10⁻23, or is the reciprocal of Avogadro's number. What is this 1 AMU? I can say 1 AMU means 1 Armstrong. 1 AMU means 1 Dalton. 1 AMU means 1 Avogadro. 1 AMU means 1 carbon unit. Cu carbon unit. So 1 AMU means 1 unified unit. UU. Or in some books it is U. Only U. Unified unit. So using all this, I also say that here, if I say mass of sodium, so here you can write 23 gram, 23 AMU, 23 Dalton, 23 Armstrong, 23 Avogadro, but it is the mass of 1 mole of sodium atom, but here it is the mass of 1 sodium atom. 1 sodium atom. It is also mass of 1 sodium atom. It is also mass of 1 sodium atom. It is the mass of 1 sodium atom. So गोटे sodium atom रो mass कते 23 AMU ही पारे, 23 Dalton ही पारे, 23 Armstrong ही पारे, 23 Avogadro ही पारे, 23 carbon unit ही पारे, 23 unified unit ही पारे. So these are the varieties. ज्यादा तुम कंफ्यूज हो क्वेश्चंस मानकरे कंफ्यूजन पाई देथिबो, बट कंफ्यूजन सब क्लियर हे जीवो. प्रथम रु कहिछि द क्लास इज एसएस मीन सहज सरल ट्रिक रे बुझी जीवा कोन ना मास ऑफ सोडियम को विभिन्न प्रकार प्रेजेंटेशन देथिबो. जदि ग्राम रे देछि तने मास ऑफ 1 मोल 6.02 10⁻23 टा एटम रो मास होछि 23 ग्राम. बट गोटे सोडियम केते ना 23 AMU, गोटे सोडियम केते 23 डाल्टन, गोटे सोडियम केते 23 आर्मस्ट्रांग, गोटे सोडियम केते 23 एवोगाड्रो, गोटे सोडियम केते 23 कार्बन यूनिट, गोटे सोडियम केते 23 यूनिफाइड यूनिट. ठीक है. सो देन अनदर कांसेप्ट को जीवा. सपोज आपको क्वेश्चन यूज करबा. गोटे क्वेश्चन म दे दोछि. सपोज पचाची 80 ग्राम कैल्शियम एंड 80 एवोगाड्रो कैल्शियम which having maximum electron. 80 ग्राम कार्बन and 80 एवोगाड्रो कार्बन. First of all 80 ग्राम कार्बन. How many electrons? So 80 gram calcium and 80 avogram of calcium. How many electrons? देखो प्रीवियसली हमें कहते तुमको देछि मास यूनिट पचाची नंबर यूनिट. हाउ मेनी मीन्स नंबर यूनिट. सो मु तुमको कहती मास रु नंबर केमती जीव ना मास रु जीव मोल को मोल रु जीव नंबर को. ए बेसिक फार्मूला आंसर जीवा मास रु जीवा मोल को मोल रु जीवा नंबर को बा नंबर रु जीवा मोल को मोल रु जीवा मास को. सो तो प्रथमे एठी देछि मास पचाची नंबर. तब केम जाने मास ग्राम देछि सर ग्राम देछि. सो मास यूनिट देछि मास पचाची कोन नंबर. तो हमें कौन करिबा मास को कौन करिबा मोल को जीवा मोल को नंबर को जीवा. तो प्रथमे आगे करिबा एटा 80 ग्राम कैल्शियम. देखो केमती हबो आगो मोल बाहर करे. मोल के बाहर करे ना 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 40. फार्मूला कौन थिला गिवन मास डिवाइडेड बाय एटॉमिक मास. सो कैल्शियम एटॉमिक मास केते 40. सो मोल केते बाहरला 80 बाय 40. तो केते हला केते 2 मोल. तो ये कौन करिबा सेकंड स्टेप 2 मोल कैल्शियम केते इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 रहला मोल जार पड़ला 6.02 10 to the power 23. कैल्शियम रो केतरा इलेक्ट्रॉन 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो इनटू 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सॉरी गला आंसर दीटा स्टेप. मास को मोल को गले मोल रो नंबर को गले अगर मोल बाहर गले मोल कोन गिवन मास बाय एटॉमिक मास. गिवन मास बाय एटॉमिक मास. So calcium atom mass is 40. So 80 by 42 moles. So 2 mole calcium 2 into 6.02 10 to the power 23 into 20 electrons. So this is the then 80 avogram of calcium. It's the mass unit. एटी भी फर्स्ट कौन करिबा एको मोल को कन्वर्ट करिबा. बट नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट इनटू मोल. व्हाई? बिकॉज एवोग्राम मीन्स AMU मीन्स डाल्टन मीन्स एस्टन. ऑल दीज रिप्रेजेंट्स दैट इट इज the unit for a single atom. So here 80 divided by 40 it is a 2. Here the 2 mole, but here only answer is 2. Why? Because it is gram unit. So gram unit 80 by 40 is 2 mole. Eta avogram unit. एवोग्राम यूनिट बा AMU यूनिट बा डाल्टन यूनिट बा एस्टन यूनिट ए सब यूनिट रे कोन आसीबो ना ए आसीबो 80 by 40 equal to 2 not 2 mole 2. so 2 को है ना 2 कैल्शियम. जो 2 कैल्शियम तल 2 की 2 रहला कैल्शियम जर कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन 20 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो केते हेला 40 इलेक्ट्रॉन. डिफरेंस ता बुझी परलो. मोड ऑफ डिस्कशन होची इफ ग्राम इज गिवन that is the gram unit means number of moles 80 by 42 moles. But here avogram unit means only 2 calcium atom. So 2 की 2 रहला calcium रे 20 electrons of 40 electron. So this is the working part. Next another concept on mass. If it is given that gram atom of gram molecule, you read it as gram atom, you read it as gram molecule, but you understand mole. Another exceptional concept by SS that if gram and atom, gram and molecule are written, you just understood that as mole. What does it mean? If it is written as 80 gram atom of calcium, you read it as 80 gram atom of calcium, but you intercept is 80 gram atom means mole of calcium. That is the concept, exceptional concept. It is written as gram atom, but you understand that it is 80 mole because SS कौन कही ग्राम आटम पढ़िबो किंतु बुझिबो मोल, ग्राम मॉलिक्यूल पढ़िबो बट बुझिबो मोल. So कौन लिखा ला 80 ग्राम atom of calcium means 80 mole of calcium. But if it is written 80 gram of calcium atom, 80 gram, the difference is that 80 gram atom of calcium and 80 gram of calcium atom. What is the difference? It is 80 gram. It is 80 gram. So 80 divided by 40, it equal to 2 mole. 2 mole of calcium. The basic difference is that this is the chemistry. ये chemistry पिला confusion करे. किंतु confusion को सब clear करवा पाई तम पाखरे एसएस अछि सहज सरल इछि भी तम मुंडरे पुरिया पुरे कोन लेखा आइछि ग्राम एटम मिसी के लेखा आइछि तो हमें बुझीबा ग्राम एटम को मोल तम लिखिले 80 मोल जदि ग्राम एटम देखो एठी लेखा आइछि ग्राम एठी लेखा आइछि एटम ताको भितरे गैप अछि ऑफ अछि कैल्शियम अछि सो ता भितरे किछ ना किछ अछि तो ग्राम एटम पाखा पाखी नाही दुने दुने अछि तो हमें त कोन बुझीबा 80 gram only. So gram का मैं मोल कैन करिबा 80 by 40. So that is 80 by 40 what? 80 by 40 2 mole. So that is the basic difference that gram atom and gram molecule are represented as mole. ठीक है? Then another new concept. हमें जीवा कोटि की सपोज लिखिबा 500 gram molecule of calcium carbonate. What does it mean? It means 500 what? Yes, very good. Mole. 500 mole calcium carbonate. But if it is written as 500 gram of calcium carbonate molecule, then 500 divided by 100. How this 100 come? Previous class से कोई थी कैल्शियम एटॉमिक मास कहते 40, कार्बन एटॉमिक मास कहते 12, ऑक्सीजन एटॉमिक मास कहते 16 with 3 48. So this equal to 100. It is a molecular mass of calcium, mass of carbon, mass of oxygen into 3. So this comes to 100. So it is 5 mole. It is 5 mole. So this is all about this mass system, the basic concepts on mole in terms of mass. So next we'll focus on mole in terms of volume. Mole in terms of volume. So it is only for gas. It is only for gaseous. It is only for gaseous particles. It is only for gas. So, and based on different standards. What are the standard? NTP, standard STP, standard SATP, standard lab condition. There are 4 basic standards: NTP, STP, SATP, lab standard. So what is the difference? What is the units? ठीक है? First, NTP. NTP. Normal temperature, pressure. Normal temperature, pressure. नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर प्रेशर के थे 1 एटमॉस्फेयर और 760 mm of Hg. टेम्परेचर 273 केल्विन और 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. वॉल्यूम फॉर 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas equal to 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. So this is a standard nominal temperature pressure. Pressure is 1 atmosphere or 760 mm of Hg. Temperature is 273 Kelvin or 0 degree centigrade. And volume for 1 mole of any gas, it occupy 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. Then STP. Then the second standard is STP. It is standard temperature pressure. Standard temperature pressure. Here also pressure is 1 atm, 760 mm of Hg. Temperature is 273 Kelvin or 0 degree centigrade. Volume for 1 mole of any gas, for 1 mole of any gas 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter. So तमें देखिए NTP जहाँ तो STP से yes it is in some countries it is called as NTP and in other countries it's called as STP. Both are same. Then asibo SATP, another SATP. So another is SATP. What is SATP? Another is lab condition. SATP and another is lab condition. So these two we'll discuss in the next class. So keep patience. SATP और lab condition बढ़ाए सो अपने नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम डिस्कशन करेंगे. ठीक है. सो आज रो जति कांसेप्ट पढ़ाला ये कांसेप्ट को ठीक भाବରେ देखिबो. सो कंफ्यूजन क्वेश्चन किछि नहीं बारंबार देखिले तुम सब बुझी पारिबो. This includes all of your basic classes and also advanced classes. So in the various engineering or medical entrance examination, all these will appear, but don't confuse on this matter. Keep us watching the videos. बारंबार देखिले सुनिश्चित तुम भीतर आराम से धीरे पशि जीव. आ जदि न बुझी पारिबो then call to me, contact me. ठीक है. Thank you.